Did you know that? Devons have heads that are wedge-shaped, with narrow necks. These cats have strong facial characteristics with short but well-defined muzzles, cheekbones, and chins. Their eyebrows and whiskers are typically short because they are delicate and break easily. Although Devon Rexes are not very talkative cats, they will continue to chirp until you notice them if they feel ignored. They beg food like dogs do, even gladly steal anything off your plate. Thank you for watching.